Welcome to Tasty Tuesday. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
Okay, we all know it's hot outside. So, we're in Macon, Georgia, and it's about 97 degrees. Okay, that's outside. In here, so what I felt like doing today was making a chicken pimento sandwich and some butter pickles on the side, something light with some pink lemonade. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I have the oil right here, prep, it's warm, and make sure whenever you're cooking, frying anything, do not crowd your frying pan, because if you crowd it, the temperature goes, all of it doesn't get the same temperature and your meat takes forever to get done. And also, make sure that you hear a little sizzle. So sometimes what I would do would just take some water and flip it in there, and if that sizzled, that means the grease is ready. That's old school. Do what I had, this mixture right here is buttermilk, pickle juice, and a bunch of spices and eggs. That's the batter. Okay, I let the chicken sit in there overnight. The longer it sits, the more flavor you get. And this here is rice flour, pre-seasoned. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to dip the chicken into the rice flour, and then I'm going to put it in the frying pan.
So what's the pickle juice for? What the pickle juice for?
What's the temperature should be no more than, since it's on top of the stove, and this is like I said, this oil should be no more than 250.
So does the pickle juice give it flavor? Or?
Yeah, it gives it flavor and it helps the chicken be a little tender. Okay. And you could always use one hand. You got to keep one hand clean when you're battering. Okay. And this is a skinless, beat down chicken breast. I say beat down because it was real thick and I beat it down. And it makes it a little thinner. It helps with the crispiness instead of biting into a great big old chunk of meat. Okay. This goes right here. Okay. Now I'm going to take this flour. As you can see, the chicken laying in there, just minding its business. That's going to be ours. Okay, it's got seasoning on the flour, seasoning on the chicken. And then after that, I'm going to, after it gets brown, I'm going to turn it over. And then I'm going to put it on, put it to the side. And then I'm going to show you how I make the homemade pimento spread.
Okay, yeah. I like pimento cheese, but it's so high. I can't buy it.
Okay, I have a lot of it.
It's like a little container. It's $5.
I'm sure that's why I said I'd like to do homemade.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now see, it's crackling, but it's not crackling as much as I want it to. So I'm going to give it some grace right now. Turn the fire up because this is an electric stove and I can't stand electric stove, but don't give horse in the mouth. Okay. So while this is cooking, it's sizzling. Because I can't really control the heat as much as I would like to with the electric stove. That's why I like gas stoves. Because when you turn it off, it's off. Okay, set that in there. And shake as much flour off as you can because you don't want the little knots. They'll get done first before the chicken gets done. Okay. Okay, this is the Tasty Tuesday, the exclusive pimento spread, and you could always find the recipe on YouTube. Okay, this right here, this is about 8 ounces of cream cheese. Let it sit out so it can be real soft. Okay. We have mixed fine. This is cheddar cheese, and it may get the finer, so it'll kind of really blend in easy. And that's about half a cup of that. This here is my special secret Tasty Tuesday spice. This is garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne. You can put any kind of dry spice you want in there. Okay. This right here is a half a cup of mayonnaise. We're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise to help it stay kind of moist. And then here, this is the clicker right here. This is the pimento. You can get it in any size, about 8-ounce jars, 4-ounce jars, whatever size you want it in. Okay. And you drain it and you put it into the mixture. I'm going to beat this up. I'm going to try. But you see, I'm having a time with the cheese. So this is how I'm going to do it. That's why I got this glove on. I'm going to do it with my hand. Okay. So this is what I'm doing right here. Just mashing it together. Make sure everything is blended well.
What kind of mayonnaise do you use at home?
I use light. A light mayonnaise. Or sometimes I might use mayonnaise with olive oil, but the brand that I use is Best Food. Okay. Or either you can use Hellman's. Okay, now this is the cream cheese. You see that? You can smell, I can smell it from here too. I'm going to go find some bread to put this on, and I will be right back. But what I have here is Texas toast, garlic Texas toast. Okay, I'm going to put it on the other eye, and in the meantime, I'm going to turn the chicken over.
It's talking.
Yeah, okay, it's ready to get flipped. And see, I use, like I said, the rice flour and just very little all-purpose flour. It helps make it crispy. And it's bland, so you can put your own flavor to it. Whatever dry spices that you like. Yeah. Okay, give it another 2 or 3 minutes and then we can break it down and make us some sandwiches. We have some pink lemonade and we have some butter sliced pickles on the side. And we have orange marmalade. That's to give it a little tangy sweet taste to the sandwich instead of gobbling it down with a bunch of mayonnaise. And make sure when you frying your chicken, let it rest a few minutes, like put it on a plate with a paper towel so it can soak up some excess oil. That's good with some rice and some butter, and I'm good. Add that to it and just put a light part on here. Preference goes with the marmalade. This is orange marmalade.
Well, it's good. I know it's good. I eat with my eyes too.
Yeah.
So bread is moist too.
Full of garlic. Garlic is good for high blood pressure.
Good.
This was the treat of the day. Never had a pimento chicken sandwich with 2 pickles and French Texas bread.
We got a couple cultures jumping off in there.
Come on.
French bread.
And orange marmalade. The orange marmalade really was like, was the thing that surprised me the most about it.
Me too.